Welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about car accident liar in San Antonio, USA. So we cover some questions which are very important before you contact your car accident liar in San Antonio. Okay. First question is, these are the questions very important. Okay. These questions are very important for you. First question is, what happens if I hit a car and I am not insured? Okay. In South Wales, New South Wales, for example, the penalty will typically come out to nearly $700, but can be as much as $1,472, and 4 license demerit points for vehicles weighing more than 4.5 tons. Okay, first question is cleared. The next question is the reversing driver always at fault? The answer is, in most cases the driver backing up will be partially at fault, if not entirely at fault. That said, there are a few exceptions for the rules when making a determination of fault. Okay. The next question is, can I drive a car I am not insured on? If you are uninsured and get into a car accident while driving someone else's car, you would be covered by the owner's auto insurance policy. Up to their policy limit, their insurance would cover the damage or any bodily injury that you cause to the other driver and their vehicle. Okay. The next question is, what happens when the other driver is at fault? If you live in a fault state, the person responsible for the accident will hold liability for anyone's injury. The other driver would file a claim with your insurance company, and your car insurance will pay for losses. In a no fault state, however, each party's auto insurance usually cover their losses. The next question is very important question. This is the very important question. Can my child drive my car under my insurance? Answer is, if your child is not yet licensed, then they are usually automatically covered under your car insurance policy. Depending on insurance company, once your child is a licensed driver, you should add them as a named insured on your car insurance policy. Okay. The next question is, this is the main very important question. How does insurance work if someone borrows your car? Okay, for some time. If a friend borrows your car for some time and causes an accident, your insurance policy pays for any at fault damages. A rule of thumb to remember in this situation is, car insurance follows the car, not the driver. Okay, I say again, a rule of thumb to remember in this situation is, car insurance follows the car, not the driver. Okay. The next question is, should I add my teenager to my car insurance? No. You do not have to add your child to your car insurance policy, but it will be less expensive than the child getting their own policy. You are not required to add a teen driver to your car insurance, but it's more cost effective to do so. Say Melanie Muzen, a car insurance expert for carinsuranceComparison.com. Okay. The next question is, how much does it cost to insure a teenage driver? Okay. The average annual rate quoted for a teen driver is $2,267. This average includes all liability coverage levels. Compare that to an average cost increase of $621 for adding a teen to the parents policy. That means you will pay 365% more by putting the teen on his or her own policy. Okay. And this is also important question. What car has cheapest insurance for teenager? So I tell you about the brands of the car, name of the car which have very cheapest insurance for teenager. Okay, number one is Honda Odyssey, second is Fiat 500 L19, Smart Fortwo, Mini Countryman, Subaru's Outback, Mazda MX-5. Okay, these are the these are the models which have very cheap insurance for teenager. Okay, what's the best car for a 17-year-old? Okay, I tell you about some models. The best models are Skoda Fabia, Toyota Yaris, Ford Fiesta, Citroen C4, Dacia Duster, Nissan Micra, Fiat 500. Okay. The other question is, can my friend drive my car with my insurance? I already discussed about the same question, but now we can see this case from different angle. The answer is yes. Your car insurance coverage should extend to anyone else driving your car. This means even if your friend, sister or cousin have the best coverage possible, it would usually be your auto insurance that had been covering the damage if they were at fault in an accident while driving your vehicle. Okay. Now I want to tell you, if you face a car accident in San Antonio, then how you contact your car accident lawyer in San Antonio, USA. So this is the best platform for UKRW attorneys at law. Okay. Here is the contact number. You can contact at every time 24/7. You can live chat. Here is the option of live chat, and here is the live chat option, and you can start your chat from here. Click on just start chat. You do live chat at instantly. Okay, here just wait, you receive a message and then you can start your chatting. Okay, I suggest you clarify your all question before you hiring a car accident lawyer in San Antonio. Okay, so here are the some data, some guidelines you can read. The attorney of Caterman, Rowland and Westland are committed to dealing with your car accident claim that resulted from a car collision, and our firm continues have one of the highest success rate in San Antonio. Okay, our lawyers will give you peace of mind that you can focus on rehabilitation while we focus on dealing with your insurance company. We do not charge for consultation and we handle emergency cases. You pay nothing unless we collect money for you. Okay, so I hope you understand well and you can contact these lawyers without hesitation. Okay, today is enough. I will meet you in next video. Take care. Bye.